Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like content like this. And if you're watching this, today is Wednesday, April 26th. It is the Brewed Beauty Collab, hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. We also have Char from Char's Fashion Nation and Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, and Erica Sue's Nails and More. All their channels will be linked down below. Um, and please go watch the other girls and subscribe to their channel if you feel that you want to. Today we are doing April's birth flower. There's actually two, but there's the daisy and the sweet pea, and we picked the sweet pea flower to base a look off of. So with that said, we're going to get started. I'm going to use Jeffree Star's Pink Religion for my look. And I have a couple things written down that I looked up about the sweet pea. The sweet pea is related to beans, and although it's not a crop pea, it is related to the crop pea, but it's considered toxic to humans and animals. So this is Jeffree's Pink Religion palette, and I'm going to go with a pinky purple look because that's the color sweet pea that I like. Sweet peas are native to Italy and the Mediterranean area. They're a beautiful flower, come in a variety of colors, and have a very sweet fragrance. Alright. A bouquet of sweet peas is a great thank you gift. And also in France, it was a traditional gift for brides to bring good luck to their marriage. I'm going to go in with Saint Star all over the lid. I prime my eyes and set them. This is Saint Star from the Pink Religion palette. My next video will be in the makeup room. I'm still over and downstairs in the dining room, helping Heidi, who is rapidly improving. Alright, so there's the base down. Alright. Back in the day, sweet peas were carried in pockets to freight, like worn as like a perfume. And also after laundering clothes, they were placed in the pockets to fragrance the clothes, kind of like Febreze. Alright, so what do I want to do? I want to do like a pinky purple look. So I'm going to go in the... Let me find a brush here. Oh. I want that out. There's the brush I'm looking for. I'm going to go with a brush that looks like that because I'm going to go in my outer corner. And I think I'm going to go into Fashion Faith, which is a purpley color, in my outer corner. I don't want it to be a real crazy look, but we know that Jeffree's stuff is very pigmented, so it always ends up looking crazy. But you can always mellow it down. Like really blend it out. I don't use this palette very often. I'm not a big pink eyeshadow person. But for this look, it's good. Alright, does that look even? Of course it doesn't. Just blend that over. Okay. So I'm going to clean this brush. And on the inner part of my eye, I think I'm going to go in with Pink Fever. I'm hoping you can hear me because my sound's been a little weird. I'm just going to take that all the way over. It's a pretty color. It is a matte color. It's really hard to see. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, that's really pink. Alright. And I'm going to deepen that outer corner up a little bit with Vatican Vanity. Not go too crazy. And just deepen it up just a little bit. I'm just tapping it on and I'll blend it out with a cleaner brush. Okay, that looks cool. Okay, I think for the sparkle in the center, I'm going to go with Frosting Cult. Let me wipe this off. I'm going to try it with one of these first. A little bit of fallout. I probably packed too much on there, that's why. Nice little sparkle. Might take that all the way in. What did I say that was called? Frosting Cult. So that looks pretty. Up on the brow bone, I'm going to go into Princess Crown. I really need to get my eyebrows done. And I think I'm going to do the inner corner with that as well, if I can find a brush. There we go. Oh, it's not really showing up too good. Okay, that looks good. Alright, what else do we know about sweet peas? Some cultures it was thought to have magical properties. They are an annual, they need full sun to grow, and they do best on a trellis. I think that looks pretty good. What do you think, guys? Alright, let's see what kind of eyeliner we want to do. I don't know if I have a pink eyeliner. I don't think I do. So I'm thinking I'm going to go with green to represent the leaves. I'm going to try to put it on in this camera. If not, I will pause. Alright guys, I'm going to pause, put my mascara on, and I will be right back. Okay, and I am back. So, I did green eyeliner, and this is the, who is it? I can't read it. Looks like that. I can't read it with the gold on green. So I'm going to use the Animal Crossing Cherry lip crayon. And of course I used my CoverGirl Olay Simply Ageless Foundation. I used Wheel Powder Blush. Simply Ageless, the CoverGirl Concealer. And the Pink Religion eyeshadow palette on my eyes. And this is my Sweet Pea look. So I'll come in closer so you can see. And that will be it for this Brewed Beauty collab. Please go watch the other girls. Remember that Alex from Makeup Addict 1992 is the host of this collab. There's Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, and Erica Sue's Nails and More, Little Erica. So please watch their channels. I'll have them linked down below. And you all have a great week. And this is the Sweet Pea Birth Flower for April look. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.